Start by preparing the things you will use. You will need the meter, the lancing device, a sterile lancet, a glucose test strip and an alcohol pad or a cotton ball with alcohol. Wash your hands thoroughly. Prepare the lancing device. Unscrew the lancing device cover. Insert a lancet into the lancing device until it comes to a full stop. Twist and pull the protective cap of the lancet. Set it aside for proper disposal. Screw the lancing device cover back on. Pull the spring cover back to arm the lancing. Twist the adjustable tip to adjust puncture depth. 1 is the shallowest while 5 is the deepest. Next, prepare the glucose meter. Remove the plastic film on the battery to allow the device to function. Long press the M button to power on. It will display the recent results once it has powered on or display 3 dashes if it has no stored results. Insert test strip into the test strip port. An icon of a droplet will appear once the device is ready to receive a blood sample. Finish test within 3 minutes after taking out the strip, otherwise the test result may be inaccurate. Warm your hands or massage your finger to promote blood flow. Get an alcohol pad and clean the side of the tip of your finger. When the alcohol has completely dried, firmly press the lancing device on the tip of your finger and press the button to prick. For more accurate results, wipe off the first drop of blood with a clean cotton ball or gauze, and get another drop. Collect blood sample by sticking the test strip to your finger on a slanted manner, not parallel to the skin. It only takes 10 seconds for the results to appear. You may refer to the blood glucose indicator card to determine if your blood glucose is within normal range. A built-in strip ejector is available at the back of the meter. Use it for a more sanitary disposal. Use the protective cap of the lancet to cover the needle and dispose it properly. You may use the lancet ejector. Setting the date and time. While the device is off, press and hold on the D button. This will allow you to change the time and date of the device. Press on D to lower the value of the selected data, and press C to increase the value. Press M to set the number you input. The date format is year, month, day. While the time is on a 24 hours format. Viewing previous test results. Turn on the device. The meter will automatically display the latest test result upon startup. To browse your other test results, press the D button to go to older test results, and press C to go to the newer ones. Pressing C on the latest test result will show you the 7 days average result. Press again for the 14 days average test result, and press again for the 28 days average result. Resetting the memory. Turn the device on. This will display the latest test result. Press on C and M at the same time to reset the memory. The meter will display 3 dashes once the memory has been reset. Turning off the device. Simply press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The meter also turns off on its own after 3 minutes on standby. The basic safe Accu glucose meter kit includes the packaging box, 1 carrying case, 1 blood glucose indicator card, 1 quick guide, 1 user manual, 1 lancing device, 1 glucose meter, and a battery which is already placed inside the meter.